How long does it take for dogs to get unstuck after mating? Did your dog just get stuck to another dog after doing the deed? Don't panic. This is actually a normal part of the mating process, and there's nothing to worry about. Take a deep breath and read on, because we've gathered all the info you need to know. And it might take a while for the dogs to naturally release each other, but rest assured, they will. Things you should know. It's totally normal for dogs to get stuck together after mating. It's called a copulatory tie. Don't do anything to try to separate the dogs, especially pull them apart by force, which could hurt them. Stay calm and wait for the dogs to unstick themselves. If they're still stuck together after an hour, which is unlikely to happen, call your vet to get advice. Section 1 of 3. Why do dogs get stuck together after mating? Getting stuck together is known as a copulatory tie, and it's completely normal. Getting stuck together is known as a copulatory tie, and it's completely normal. Called a tie for short, sticking together or getting stuck back to back is a perfectly natural occurrence that can last anywhere between 5 and 30 minutes after the male dog has finished ejaculating. There's no need to intervene. 1. The breed of the dogs may influence how long they remain stuck together. Dogs that haven't bred before and dogs that are nervous after mating may also take longer to unlock. Section 2 of 3. What to do if dogs are stuck together after mating. Step 1. Allow them to separate on their own. 1. Allow them to separate on their own. Never try to physically separate the dogs. Removing them by force is likely to hurt them both. If you're trying to prevent pregnancy, unfortunately, it's probably already too late. Pulling the dogs apart won't help, and it may hurt them. Step 2. Stay calm and supervise the dogs until they get unstuck. 2. Stay calm and supervise the dogs until they get unstuck. Be patient and don't panic. A copulatory tie is totally normal. 2. Make sure the pooches can't run into a street or in harm's way. Just sit with them and remain calm. Pet the female dog to keep her calm while you wait it out. If the dogs are becoming overactive, anxious, or playful, leash them to keep them under control until they're unstuck. Step 3. Call your vet if they're still stuck after an hour. 3. Call your vet if they're still stuck after an hour. It can take between 5 and 60 minutes for the dogs to get unstuck after mating. If it's been longer than that and you have concerns, speak to your veterinarian to see what they advise. Step 4. Give each dog some TLC once they're unstuck. 4. Give each dog some TLC once they're unstuck. Let the female rest in a quiet place away from other animals. 3. If the male's penis doesn't go back into its sheath shortly after mating, or if you have any other concerns, reach out to your vet. 4. Look for signs of pregnancy in the female, including increased appetite and weight gain. Around 28 days after mating, your vet can do an exam to confirm if she is pregnant and give you tips on how to care for her. 5. Section 3 of 3, FAQs. Step 1. Why do dogs get stuck together after mating? Why do dogs get stuck together after mating? The male dog's penis, or bulbus glandis, expands and the female dog's vaginal muscles tighten, creating a copulatory tie. Usually, the dogs will stand butt to butt until the swelling subsides. The copulatory tie can prevent another male from mating with the female before fertilization has occurred. It may also prevent sperm from leaking out, which increases the chances of pregnancy. Dogs may wait back to back as a defense mechanism to protect themselves from other animals, as mating is a vulnerable act in the wild. Step 2. Does a tie mean the female is pregnant? Does a tie mean the female is pregnant? Not necessarily, but it can improve the chances of fertilization. Pregnancy can also occur without a tie, called slip mating, but is less likely. 6. Step 3. Does it hurt the dogs? Does it hurt the dogs? It can be uncomfortable or even a bit painful, especially if this is either dog's first time breeding. Dogs without experience may not know the most comfortable position to wait out the tie. Still, don't try to separate them, which would cause more pain and potential injury. Just wait it out and do your best to keep them calm. 7. The female dog may bark, howl, or make other noises while she's tied to the male. This could just be her way of communicating with him and may not indicate that she's in pain. 8.